This question concerns grades. To get a C in chemistry, a student must score an average of 70 on 4 tests. Scores on the first 3 tests were 68, 71, and 65. What is the lowest score that the student can make on the last test and still get a C? To solve this problem, we'll think a little bit about what it means to score an average on 4 tests. To score the average, we have to have, if each test were 70, it would be 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70, or 280 total points. In other words, in order to have an average of 70 on 4 tests, the student must score a total of 280 points. How many points has the student already scored? Well, already the student has scored 68 plus 71 plus 65. Adding these numbers, we find that the student has already scored 204 points. Now, in order to get the C, the student must score 280 points. So if we subtract 280 minus 204, we get 76. This means that the student must score at least 76 points in order to get a C. That's the lowest score the student can make on the last test. So we write our answer. The lowest score is 76.